We've all been there. That sinking feeling when you realize a crucial file, a folder full of precious memories, or even worse, important work documents have vanished into the digital abyss. It's a modern nightmare. But don't panic just yet. What was once a death sentence for your data is now a challenge AI is ready to tackle. Remember the days when a corrupted hard drive meant a one-way ticket to data heaven? Those days are fading fast. Artificial intelligence is stepping in, offering a powerful lifeline in the face of data disasters. Imagine a world where your computer doesn't just store data, but understands it, learns from it, and can even piece it back together when catastrophe strikes. That's the future AI data recovery is building, and it's closer than you think. In this guide, we'll dive deep into the world of AI-powered data recovery, exploring the tools, techniques, and strategies that can help bring your lost data back from the brink. So buckle up, and let's explore how AI is changing the data recovery game, making the impossible possible. Now you might be wondering, how can AI possibly recover data that's gone? Think of it like this. Traditional data recovery methods were like trying to solve a jigsaw puzzle in the dark. You're feeling around for the pieces, hoping they fit. AI, on the other hand, turns on the lights. AI algorithms are the Sherlock Holmes of the digital world. They analyze patterns in your data, learning how files are structured, recognizing file types even when they're damaged, and even predicting what missing data should look like based on surrounding information. It's like having a digital detective scouring the depths of your storage devices, piecing together clues that would be impossible for traditional methods to find. One of the key ways AI achieves this is through machine learning. By training on massive datasets of both intact and corrupted files, AI algorithms develop a deep understanding of data's DNA. They learn to identify the fingerprints of different file types, recognize patterns of corruption, and even predict the most probable reconstruction of damaged data. This ability to learn and adapt is what sets AI apart. As AI continues to evolve, it's getting better and better at recovering data from even the most challenging scenarios, giving us a fighting chance against data loss. Ready to fight back against data loss? The good news is, you don't need to be a tech wizard to leverage the power of AI. There's a growing arsenal of user-friendly AI data recovery tools designed to make the process accessible to everyone. Here are a few heavy hitters in the AI data recovery arena. Stella Data Recovery. This powerhouse tool utilizes AI to recover lost or deleted files from a wide range of storage devices. It's like having a team of data recovery experts at your fingertips. EaseUS. Data Recovery Wizard Pro. This software boasts powerful AI-powered scanning algorithms that can recover data from formatted drives, lost partitions, and more. Wondershare Recover It. Another popular choice, Wondershare Recover It, uses AI to identify and recover files with a high success rate, even in complex data loss situations. These are just a few examples, and the field is constantly evolving with new players and innovations. When choosing an AI data recovery tool, it's essential to consider factors like the types of storage devices it supports, the specific data loss scenarios it's designed for, and of course, user reviews to get a feel for its effectiveness. Section 4. Recovering like a pro, your step-by-step guide to using AI data recovery. Using AI data recovery tools might seem daunting, but it's more straightforward than you think. While specific steps may vary depending on the software you choose, here's a general breakdown to guide you. Select an AI data recovery tool that aligns with your needs and operating system. Download and install it on your computer. Launch the software and select the specific storage device or folder where you've lost data. Initiate a scan using the AI-powered recovery option. The software will deep dive into your storage, analyzing and identifying recoverable data. Once the scan is complete, the software will present you with a list of recoverable files. You can often preview these files to ensure they're intact. Select the ones you want to recover and choose a safe location on your computer to restore them. With your data safely recovered, it's time to pat yourself on the back. You've successfully navigated the world of AI data recovery. Remember, the key is to act fast. The sooner you address data loss, the higher the chances of successful recovery. Section 5. Shielding your digital kingdom. Prevention, protection, and avoiding common pitfalls. While AI data recovery is a powerful ally, prevention is always the best medicine. Here are some essential tips to safeguard your data and avoid common pitfalls. This cannot be stressed enough. Regularly back up your important data to an external hard drive or a cloud storage service. Physical damage to storage devices can lead to data loss. Handle your devices with care and store them in a safe, dry environment. Malicious links or attachments can lead to data stealing malware. Be cautious about what you click on and download. Software updates often include security patches that can protect your data from vulnerabilities. If you do experience data loss, avoid immediately writing new data to the affected device, as this can overwrite the lost information, making recovery more challenging. By following these tips and embracing the power of AI data recovery, you can navigate the digital world with greater confidence, knowing that even in the face of data disasters, there's hope for recovery.